Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Miles to Go. Today in this video we are going to see about simple opposite words with their Tamil meanings part 4. Kind, which means இரக்கமுள்ள. Opposite of kind is cruel, which means இரக்கமற்ற. Over, மேலே. Opposite of over is under, கீழே. Rainy, மழையாக. Opposite of rainy is sunny, வெயிலாக. Poor, வறுமை. Opposite of poor is rich, வளமை. Question, கேள்வி. Opposite of question is answer, விடை. Little, சிறியதாக. Opposite of little is more, மிகுதியாக. Old, வயதான. Opposite of old is young, இளமையான. New, புதிய. Opposite of new is old, பழைய. Long, நீண்ட. Opposite of long is short, குட்டையான. Now, இப்பொழுது. Opposite of now is then, அப்பொழுது. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.